ZPHS Chelpuru High School, Bhopalpally district. Swami Vivekananda believed that the youth can make a build a strong nation. So he wanted the youth whose youth are known as the strong arms, strong steel nerves, who had the strong. So say for example, after the World War, Japan has lost almost its everything, but it gained everything back by the development because of its power, of its greatness, of its youth. So that is the importance of the youth, of every role of the for every one country development. Nowadays drugs are the one of the most biggest dangerous thing uh, for the individuals and families and society. They silently destroy the everything. Also they silently destroy mentally, physically, loss of education, and so many things are loss of these drugs. So we don't use the drugs, and so many drugs are used in India are famously ganja, charcoal, charas, opium, and etc. are used in this India. 1.14.6 percentage of Indians are addicted to the drug in any form of using of these drugs. And also government also keep some schemes for the drug addiction to avoid these drugs, like NDPS, NAPDDR, and Ashok Bharat Abhiyan, Nashamukti also be allocated for the control of the drugs in our India. People are addicted for the drugs for the usage of its seen in movies and songs. Drug is used as a stylish and coolest thing in the movies, and people are addicted for the drugs because young people want to try new things. So they think, let me try once. What happened? But this one time can change the entire life, and he leads to the addiction of the drugs. So these are the main causes of the drugs, and 14446 is the one of the most known toll free number of the drugs. The drugs also not dangerous, they are very dangerous for the youth. And let me convey my opinion that I am telling to society has a responsibility to take care of the youth, because youth is develop the whole country. So we must take it, not only telling how dangerous of the drugs, but also tell the society their relationship between parents and children. When there is a relationship between parents and children, their relationship becomes stronger, and they can children can tell their parents their self problems to their parents, so they can sacrifice them. A great philosopher Sri Krishnamurti once said, addicted is because of your mind is going inner emptiness. You are addicted because of your inner emptiness. When your mind is lonely and feel confused, you will addicted for the drugs. You are escape through your inner emptiness, and no thing for the drugs, and stop drugs before they stop you. Jai Hind. Thank you.